Again and again, you are welcome to my LED TV repair channel. Today I am going to give you some ideas to solve the flip problem in Rowa TV. It is a most common and simple method, so we can solve it by remote only. First, click the source or input button in remote. Again, press 2580 respectively, where we can see factory setting. Again, go to other setting in TV.
You don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now.
Now let's go to mirror enable. If it is on, then off it, or if it is off, then on it. The problem is easily solved. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. Remain updated with me and my channel. Meet you with next video. Thank you. Namaste.